A roundhouse bridge is pretty much a replacement for a complete denture. In other words, we're replacing all the teeth, but we're getting rid of all the plastic and things associated with a conventional denture. Just teeth, and just the teeth are supported by implants, and it looks something like this. Kind of hard to explain, but this is a roundhouse. All the teeth being replaced. And these are cemented on top of here, and they stay put. This is a cemented type. And then there's the type that I do quite a few of these, is where we don't need as many of this many implants, but it's the same thing. We don't have no plastic, just teeth. But on the underside, we have little rubber cushioners. Take some of the stress off of these implants where we don't need as many. And again, but they stay in, and I usually make these where I can only get them out. And we do that at your yearly checkup appointments. We remove them, clean them up for you, and put them back.